Hello, welcome back to Let's Create with me, Rosalie. Today I'm thinking of trying my first 30 cup pour, and I'm using a black canvas which I purchased from Michael. It's a staple back, and I did tape the back, and I put my little smaller pins because if you use the jumbo or the giant pins, they would go through the wood into your canvas, the needle part. Okay. I am using a plethora of colors, and I don't know if I will use them all. So, needless to say, I will use black paint. Shake it up a little bit. It's been sitting. I might use this Pebeo buff titanium, which I put iridescent medium on it, and iridescent medium, I can't get a hold of it right now. So there's one of the colors that I may or may not use. I know I will use this Art Minds Orange Flame, and I know I will use this Apple Barrel Pumpkin Orange, which I put pearlescent medium in it. And I want to use my metallic red rose, but since it's going to be black, I don't even know if it'll show up. So we'll see that. We'll use my matte metallic gold, matte metallic silver, might use the iridescent Pebeo iridescent precious gold. Might use neon pink by Artist Flow. Might use Artist Loft, not Artist Flow. Artist Loft neon green. Pebeo iridescent green yellow. I love that color. Artist Loft metallic cobalt blue. Artist Loft phthalo blue. Pebeo iridescent blue green. Folk Arts aqua flash. And Artist Loft phthalo green, and might use some eggplant by Deco Art Americana Satin. So, like I said, it is going to be a plethora of everything. So we'll start off with dumping our black like that. What to use, what to use. Let's start off with the phthalo blue. This might come off mud, but I'm experimenting, so who cares? This is the cobalt metallic cobalt. Let's use our Art Minds Orange Flame, and I am squirting it into the black. My gold. We'll wait on the silver for a little bit. Let's do the pumpkin. I might use all these colors. Let's make mud. You never know what actually will come out. Okay. My favorite color, red. May or may not come out. But okay, let's put our soft metallic, matte metallic soft silver. Iridescent. Oh no, this is the neon green. It looks just like the iridescent. I'm sorry if the light's in your way. There. How's that? Is that better? I want to put the buff. Oh, naku po, Pedro. Well, that wasn't good. There we go. It's my first time using that buff, and it squirted. That's okay. Okay. Put a little bit more black. Let's try the Pebeo. I never knew those things snap off. Wow. That way you can clean them. Pretty sure I shook this already. Okay. I was going to try this in white first, but I figure I have two more black, well, one more after this that I want to use up. And I can't do that if I'm not playing with black. Okay, it's the gold. My gold is not sinking. Oh, some more orange. It'll help that gold sink a little bit. There we go. Okay. Yeah. Looks like our cup is full. So let me pause you so I can put these paints out of the way, and then we will pour. Okay, I'm back. I'm going to spray the back of this canvas and tighten it up because it is very, very, very loose. Okay. I don't even, it's probably too loose to even hear a drum beat out of this, but there we go, it's tightening up. Whew. Look at the colors. Now there's no silicone in my paints whatsoever. What I'm going to do though is I'm right in the center, I'm going to pour some of my matte metallic gold. Because I want to see cells of that. Just do it just a little bit. There we go. Let me torch it. Okay, let's have some fun. Hope you can see that. There we go. Ooh, talk about mud. Ooh, all our colors on the outside, that means we're gonna lose them all. Let's torch. Let's see what it'll make. I think I will just encase it with a little bit of my matte metallic and gold. Just a little bit. I like it. Torch it some more. Okay. I am gonna start off that way. Ooh, because all the colors were over here. Okay. Ooh. I like it. Though, let's get rid of a little bit over here because this way looks a little bit muddy. Well, I would like to try this in white. I can't see. So let's try firing it up. It looks like space. Black hole. Okay, let me put... Okay, here's a close-up. Look at that over there, the matte metallic gold, and look at the silver. And then look at the center over here. Looks like a black hole. I actually like it. And look at the gold over here. It didn't muddy up as much as I thought it would. And my red showed up. Look at that. Right there. Right there. Only part that muddied was over here, which I tilted off as much as I could. And then look at our little matte metallic gold cells right here. Wow, I love it. I'll call this, well, the Milky Way. There we go, because it reminds me of milk. So, I hope you enjoyed this little playing around with some paint. And don't be afraid, you know. What's the worst that could happen? Scrape off. If you don't like it, just scrape off or re-pour on top of it. You know. So I hope you enjoyed this. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time on the next creation. Bye. Reminds me of a dragon with Merlin riding the dragon.